we are going to perform fashion parade. So the first pair is Nishita and Gorish, and they are here to represent Andhra Pradesh. Second one is Samamita and Shivakarthikeya, and here they are. Second pair is Shivakarthikeya and Samamita, and here they are to represent Kerala.
Everyone, put your hands together and encourage them.
Third one is Shani and Venkat, and here they are to represent Tamil Nadu. Next is Mamita and Ritvik, and they are representing Karnataka.
Audience, put your hands together and encourage them.
Next is Sharon and Abdul, and they are representing Haryana. Next is Sharmita and Sherwin, and they are representing Goa. Next is Sarvishi and Anvesh, and they are representing Bihar. Next is Adnan and Sara, and they are representing Madhya Pradesh. Next is Vanika and group, and they are representing Maharashtra. Next is Abdullah and Muskan, and they are representing West Bengal. Next is Musab and Sudishna, and they are representing Telangana.
Everyone, put your hands together and encourage them.
Next is Bhavita and Jenny, and they are representing New Delhi. Next is Hiba and Abdul Rahman, and they are representing Uttar Pradesh. Now I request our